In rain-battered Uttarakhand, an under-construction building over the Salti River in Champawat got washed away due to a rise in water level. National Forecasting Agency, India Met Department, has issued a red alert for Uttarakhand with a forecast of heavy to very heavy rainfall in the state, and heavy rainfall has been predicted for the next few days. Locals present at a bridge over Gawla River in Halwani shout to alert a motorcycle rider who was coming towards their side by crossing the bridge that was getting washed away due to rise in water level. Motorcycle rider turned back and returned to his own side.
उधर कॉल कर दो, उधर पुलिस को बुला लो भैया, उधर बोलो। ये यार भयंकर हो गया, हम लोग गए तो मर जाते।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday spoke to Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Thami to take stock of the situation arising due to heavy rains in the state. Thami on Monday took a detailed review of the situation. The Badrinath National Highway in Chamoli district has been completely blocked due to debris at 7 places following incessant rains over the last 48 hours, the district administration said on Tuesday. As a precautionary measure, the Badrinath Char Tham Yatra has been halted and passengers en route to Badrinath temple were stopped in safe places. Incessant rains lashed Uttarakhand for the second consecutive day on Monday, prompting the authorities to advise Chartham pilgrims not to proceed to Himalayan temples till the weather improves. Pilgrims headed for Yamunotri have been asked to stay in Badkot and Janki Chatti, whereas those en route to Gangotri have been asked to stay in Harsil, Patwari and Maneri. Uttarkashi District Magistrate Mayur Dikshit told PTI. Kedarnath and Badrinath bound pilgrims have also been requested not to proceed on their journey till the weather clears. Most of the pilgrims on way to Badrinath are staying in Joshimath and Chamoli. Chamoli District Disaster Management Officer N.K. Joshi said around 4,000 yatris headed for Kedarnath have been stopped in Lichauli and Phimali as a precautionary measure. Rudraprayag Disaster Management Officer N.O. Singh said the Chardam Devasthanam board said the yatra has been temporarily halted for the sake of safety of pilgrims in view of the heavy rain alert issued by the Uttarakhand Met Department for October 17 to 19. The peaks beyond Badrinath and Kedarnath received light snowfall, whereas the lower areas in Chamoli district were lashed by occasional showers. Rain continued in Uttarkashi and Dehradun as well. Union Home Minister Amit Shah meanwhile spoke to Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Thami on the phone to get an update on precautionary steps being taken by the state government in view of the heavy rain alert and assured them of all possible help. Thami has asked the district administrations to provide early updates on the weather and the condition of roads. He also asked them to keep a minimum response time in case of a disaster. Most educational institutions across Uttarakhand remained closed on Monday, while a ban was imposed on trekking, mountaineering and camping activities in the high altitude areas of the state, including the Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve and various forest divisions till Tuesday as precautionary measure. The district level Khel Mahakumbh events to be held at Parade and Pavilion Grounds in Dehradun on October 18 to 19 have been cancelled. They have now been rescheduled for October 24 and 25. Heavy to very heavy rains, lightning, hailstorms and high-speed winds have been predicted by the Met Department for all 13 districts of Uttarakhand between October 17 and 19. News Desk Kamudi, Global.